Daily Learning.
Hi there. Welcome to today's speaking practice. In this video, we're going to practice casual conversation in English, just like how you talk to someone at a small grocery store. You'll play the role of the customer. I'll be the store clerk. On the screen, you'll see your lines. Read them out loud with natural expression and try to imagine you're really talking to someone at a shop. Don't worry if you make mistakes. This is all about getting comfortable speaking English in everyday situations. Ready? Let's begin the role play. No worries. It happens all the time, you know. Can you describe them? Sounds like jam? Gotcha. Aisle 3, top shelf. Do you need something else? Oh, fabric softener? Honestly, that's not a bad name, even though it's not the correct name of it. By the way, fabric softeners are in the back aisle near the detergents. Sounds like Pringles. Thank you. I take pride in my guessing skills. Chips are near the front counter. Nah, this was fun. Come back and play Guess the Item anytime. Anytime. Nice job. You just practiced a real-life English conversation at a grocery store. If you felt a little unsure or forgot some words, that's totally okay. Speaking gets easier the more you do it. You can always replay the video and practice again, or even try acting it out with a friend. Thanks for joining this speaking session. See you in the next practice.